Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Digital Wellbeing is a built-in Android feature that tracks your screen time and app usage, and sometimes you want to clear that history for privacy or just a fresh start. Step 1. Open your device settings by swiping down from the top of your screen twice to access the quick settings panel. Then tap the gear icon to enter the full settings menu where all your phone customization options live. Step 2. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls option, which is typically located near the bottom of the list, then tap on it to access all your usage data and tracking features. Step 3. Once you're in Digital Wellbeing, tap on your profile or account section at the top, and then look for an option that says Manage your data or app settings where you can control what information is being stored. Step 4. Find the Delete or Clear Data option within Digital Wellbeing settings, which will prompt you to confirm that you want to permanently remove your screen time history, app usage logs, and any other tracked activity from your device. Step 5. Confirm the deletion by tapping Yes or Delete in the pop-up window that appears, and your Digital Wellbeing history will be immediately cleared from your phone, giving you a clean slate and refreshing your activity tracking from that moment forward.